Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new on my channel, I'm EC and I'm so happy to see you here. If you are not subscribed to my channel and if you are new here, please, it's free for you. Click the subscribe button, like button, write a comment what you think about what I'm doing here and share the video with your friends. Maybe they will like it. And more than that, YouTube really like when the channels has subscribers, they share the video because they promote the content which I create here. But yes, let's come back to the subject. This is the first video when I try to cook, to show you what I'm cooking from scratch. Most of the time I'm cooking because I really enjoy to cook food. And today I want to cook with you filled peppers with rice, meat and some vegetable. This meal, this food, don't require too much components. As you can see here, we have just vegetable, some meat and rice. My definition and my rule in my kitchen is the less I use condiments, the better the meal is at the end. You don't need to use too much overlapping most of the condiments. If you use black pepper, some salt, some paprika, or if you have like a specific condiment for some food, it's enough. If you add too much, then you overload that food and at the end it's not good. In the process of preparation of this food, I will try to not talk, to allow you to hear the surrounding sound of foods and like to teleport yourself in my kitchen here. I will show all my processes and at the end we will test together what is the final meal, final product. Let's start and I will show you what I have on my table. To prepare this meal we need next ingredients: bay leaves, butter, meat. In my case I will use a pork, you can use chicken or beef, brown rice, salt, smoked paprika, oil, you can use olive oil, I use in my case sunflower oil, mix black and red pepper, onion, fresh tomato, carrot, and some pepper, fresh one. My friends, this is the final product. This is the pepper filled with rice, meat and vegetable. You can eat this meal with some sour cream. I will show you. But yeah, by the way, I invite you everyone to eat with me. Wow. Look at this. Juicy rice. Did you saw? Wow. Mmm. Mamma mia. Everything is good. The rice is well cooked. The meat by the way was first I fried the meat with onion and carrots, and at the end I add the tomato, the fresh tomato. 10 out of 10. The salt is enough. Pepper and paprika, smoky one. Everything is in normal quantity. I invite everyone to take a dinner with me because it's almost 10 p.m. For your health. By the way, if you really like what I'm doing here, if you really like this video, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button. It's so good. I encourage you to try to cook this meal. You don't need a lot of ingredients. You saw at the beginning of the video what you need. Everything is so soft, fresh. I will finish the meal. I want to thank you so much if you watched the entire video. If you want to support my channel, as I say, please click the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet to my channel. Welcome everyone, new people here. Click the like button, share this video with your friends, and I wish you health, you and your family, peace, because we need peace in this world, love, and see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.